Hello everyone. Here we are on a Saturday afternoon, the 25th of January 2020. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and we're making a flight around the house on Clearview Road again today. There's been some changes since we were up the other day. Looks like they're starting to put some shingles down on the one side of the roof up there. So things are moving right along. Weather today is overcast, cloudy, dreary. Temperatures about the mid-30s. Wind chill has it down around the lower 30s, I would imagine. Not too much wind, but just enough breeze that you can notice it. And the usual applies. Down in the comment section, there'll be a link. You can go back and check the previous video out and see what for changes were made. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.